Hey guys, welcome to How to Solve YouTube channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to fix profile view history feature not available on TikTok. This is new feature on TikTok. If you don't have this feature, watch the video till end and you have to follow the same procedure and this video really help you. Simply go and open your TikTok app and from here go to your profile page. Here tap on three horizontal lines at top right corner of your screen. Then tap on privacy. Scroll down and you can see the last option is profile views. But if it's not available, don't worry, go back and you have to click on Play Store. Search for TikTok and after that update your TikTok. Once you update your TikTok, you will get this feature or profile view history button. In this way, you can fix profile view history feature not available on TikTok. So this was the process by which you can fix profile view history feature not available on TikTok. If you find this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks. Have a good day.